Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. You Cody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Got a couple questions for you. Is there anybody else in the room with you?
No, sir.
Okay. There's no 14-year-old girl staying in your room?
No.
Okay. Do you mind if we check? We're looking for a missing juvenile, okay?
A missing juvenile?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you mind if we go in there and see if there's anybody else in there?
There's nobody else in there.
Okay. Can we go in there and make sure she's not in there?
Like, I promise you that she's not in there.
Okay. I'm just asking if we can go in there and make sure there's no girl in there. Okay. We're not looking for anything else. If you have other stuff that's illegal in there, I don't really care. All I want to do is...
There's no girl in there.
Okay. So, you cool if we go in there and just make sure there's no girl in there? That's all we want to do. Because we're out here trying to... If there is a girl in there, she's missing, all we gotta do is chow her, figure out what's going on, get her back with her parents, okay? And if there's nobody in there, we'll get out of your hair.
Am I gonna go to jail?
I don't know. All I know is I was called out here to find a 14-year-old female, and that was it. So, all our job right
I
now.
don't even know her name.
Okay. Well, we can talk about that stuff in a minute, but I need to find her and make sure she's okay.
Shit. I need to go talk to the clerk. I'll be right back.
I'll do it. You just hang on here.
Alright.
So what happened when you guys got back here?
I laid down.
Okay.
Like, we've been watching TV.
Okay.
That's all we've been doing.
Yeah. Do you know how old she is?
No, I honestly don't know how old she is. She must have lied to me about everything, including her name. I guess her name's not Max.
Okay. But did you think it was weird if you picked up her from her mom's and taken her to her dad's late at night?
Well,
Is
I
that
mean,
weird?
yeah, but I mean, like,
Does that lead you to believe she's probably not over 18?
probably, yeah.
You know what
But
I'm saying?
I wanted to
Right.
help her out. Like,
Well, you're how old?
I'm like 30.
Right.
But I have little cousins that, I mean, I help them out too. I said she can, lay on the floor if she wants, that's fine.
Yeah.
You're not going to sleep in the same bed,
Okay.
okay? So in the morning, I was going to take her to her dad's when it's not so late.
Okay.
She's tired too.
Okay.
Like, I know this sounds weird, man, but I promise you I ain't done nothing wrong.
Okay.
She is in there, but I didn't do anything. I literally just picked her up, and I was
Okay.
going to take her to her dad's. I know where her dad lives.
Okay.
Like,
I'm just saying that, you gotta
I
have a little more
understand.
common sense.
no, I know.
Okay.
I understand.
Did you get a... Okay. All right. If you just want to, okay. All right. Right now, I'm just going to detain you, okay? Just for right now, until we go
what?
from there.
Well, because you're in a hotel room right now with a 14-year-old
I didn't do
girl
anything, though.
who's missing, who's a runaway.
No, I
She's
understand.
underage. You're hesitant to even tell us that there's a female in there.
No, I told you that there was.
Right now, you're going to be detained until we figure out what's going on. Okay.
All right, so go put your hands behind your back, okay?
You're not free to go. Okay, but you're not under arrest. You're being detained.
Go ahead and face that way, okay? Bring your hands in like this.
Troy police officers enter the room and find the girl hiding in the bathroom.
Well,
Her face is covered to protect her identity.
what's going on?
She's safe and is returned to her mom.